open. Charts lit up, yeah, I'm locked on the screen. Pre-market runners turning red into green. V-web check, yeah, I'm watching that line. Yes, NQ moving, gotta read it in time. Support resistance, where they fake, where they break. Volume spike heavy, yeah, I'm in for the take. No FOMO trade, stick to plan, stay slim. Cut it quick if it flips, that's sink or swim. Sink or swim when the bell goes off. No emotion in the trade, cut it, no loss. Ride the wave, don't fall, don't bend. One shot in the market, sink or swim, yeah. From the open to the close we win.
Hey, welcome, gang. Morning, 9:27. Happy Friday. Hey, morning, dry bones. How we doing today? Good, sir. My goodness, this stinking market. Holy jeez. If I'm honest, I kind of hate all-time high trading. It's so stinking hard, right? All-time trading is pretty darn tough. So we're going to have to be a little bit patient today. I mean, things I always look for, like on the 5-minute that we're seeing right here, we do have a couple 5-minute candles that don't have upper wicks on them. So I always like to target stuff like that. But on the flip side, holy geez, we came off this support point at 609 and just friggin' rocket shipped 200 points all the way up here to the 800s. And we did it in quite a quick fashion as well. So market open, man, it's something I think you gotta stay away from for a couple minutes. As much as I would love to be that person to just say, whoo, let's do it. But both scenarios are equal as likely. I could see this thing ripping up really quick to put this upper wick on 774, and you instantly have 70 points against you. I could just as easily see us ripping all the way back down here to retest our support zone and our kind of rocket ship point as well. This also could be forming just an absolute gorgeous head and shoulders. Now we've been rocket shipping up so much the last couple days. Is that really something that's going to happen? It is a Friday though, so crazier things have happened on a Friday. What are you guys thinking? Up or down today? We basically have 20 seconds left here. And we got our new music playing. So please let me know if my levels are okay. Hopefully music isn't too loud. Hopefully voice is okay. 5 seconds left till market opens here. Let's see what the heck's gonna happen. Man, a relatively muted open though compared to the move we just had the last couple of minutes, but yeah, right now we're only dancing about 30 points here. Presumably because everybody's thinking the same thing I'm thinking. It's in such a toss-up point right now of whether we go up or whether we go down. This wick makes me think we might go down a little bit sooner than later. But again, we're just on our very first candle right now. Probably got to wait at least till 9:35, so we're not just being too gambly with our day. Interesting. Huh. Yeah, I gotta fix this so I can put my music on all my screens. I don't have the music over on this screen yet, so it's going to be a little discombobulated today when I go back and forth between things. NVIDIA, massive gap up, blasted all the way up to the 200s again, almost kissed that resistance point. Same thing with Qs. Where the heck are you, Qs? Oh yeah, Qs blasted up pretty darn good as well. VIX gapped up, but obviously still in the toilet compared to the 30s we were hitting just last week, which seems a lifetime ago now. We were literally just tapping 23,500s. We've gone up almost 3,000 points in 1 week. That's absolutely bananas. We still are showing a lot of weakness here. We got to remind ourselves we're only 2.5 minutes in, so there's still a lot to do here. PW is all in short right now, says Hydro. Man, I'm super tempted, you know. I'm super tempted. We have the EMAs curling down. It feels super stinking weak. But my God, I mean, right now your stop is 100 points. You know, the stop is going to have to be 750, 746. But like I said, this is definitely looking like a giant head and shoulders on the 5 minute. I could definitely see it come crashing down and retouching these 600s sooner than later. Which we're already down to the 650s here. Shoo! Patrick was right, huh? What time is it? 9:33, 20 seconds. Still have 40 seconds left of this candle. Still have plenty of targets to the upside, but man, we basically retested our little shoulder point here. Yeah, I guess we should have been all in shorts. We got 15 seconds left. Let's see what the next candle does, but we're basically back down to what would have been our target, the 600s. 607 would have been the target. Hey, morning, Gunner. How we doing, sir? I haven't looked yet, but how is Open doing today? Hey, Marco got out of his short, $7 away from passing the eval. Love to hear it, sir. Love to hear it. We are at 51,461 on this account, so admittedly we still have some wood to chop today. I'm about to hop in on the live stream. Ooh, you want to sneak in? You want to sneak in, you little sneaky snake? Hold on one sec. I got to open it again. Alright, let's see. Alright, sir. VDO is open, so please feel free to hop in whenever. So there you go, gang. There's a cool thing that we do on this stream is, if you're one of the subscribers, hey, morning driving obsession. I hope you're having a phenomenal start to your day so far. But Gunner, for example, if you're interested, please let me know. If you guys are ever interested in joining the stream, you just got to send me a little message. And then just like Marco is about to do, you can pop in and you can help host for the day. Man, real nice green candle back up. Look at that. We didn't even come down to that pivot point just to start ripping back up. Which is why I'm kind of glad we didn't just follow that short right there. 440s, we still... Oh! Dang, man. Yeah. Give us 1 sec, gang. Let me pop Marco in 1 second. Properties. Hey, driving obsession, fresh cut, Greg. Or am I tripping? Well, thank you for noticing, sir. Thank you for
Wait, how do I
noticing.
share screen? I forgot.
It should be the same thing down there on the very bottom. That like hot dog panel or something like that. Um, the one that looks like a
Oh,
computer
boom.
and
There we
video.
go.
Yep. Good job, sir. Hold on. Let's pop you over. Screen share, properties, paste. Boom. And look at that. You're on the big screen today, bud.
Oh,
You're in
there
the
we go.
big screen today.
Put me up.
Damn. Shoot.
All right.
All right. So first trade of the day. What'd you do, sir? Obviously, you took a
All
short,
right. So
right?
yeah, so what I saw, um, let me. So yeah, so let me look on my other. I traded on another chart. Let me look at my execution.
Yep.
So yeah, so I saw this big wick on 931 candle,
Yeah.
and I got in at 681, and then I'm like, okay, we're just gonna let this go. We're gonna let this bad boy ride.
Yeah.
And then I got out at 641,
Damn.
and I just I freaked out. I thought I was like, like I saw it. I was like, oh, I'm there at my thing,
Yeah.
and
And then $7 friggin', man.
yeah. So we'll get there.
Oh
We'll
my
get there. We'll
God,
find
dude.
$7. I mean, I could go for a walk.
Right,
You know,
right,
I could go for
right.
a walk and find $7.
So, gang, if you missed it in the chat there, Marco is literally only $7 away from passing an eval. So, as long as we do our job correctly today, we should have a past eval on the stream. Yay! Oh,
Even
God.
though it's not this Tradeify eval that I got pulled up here, it's a
Yeah.
top step eval. We can pull it up to get past the finish line.
Gunner
I mean,
says,
for $7, I
yeah.
might put an order right here and let it go up a couple points
Yeah.
and
Now
just see
PW
it.
is long. Look at Hydro saying now PW is long. 26,710s. I honestly don't hate the longs here. We are starting to form out a bull flag. We did come through the EMAs. If we poke our head above the 714s, what do we think, Marco? We think we want to go long?
Yeah.
Sneak a
I
little
I
long?
well, we gotta wait. And
Let's
then what is
see.
a point like what? A point's $2.
Yeah.
So we need.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
For
let's see
you,
what this
for
candle
you need
does.
three. You need 3 points to pass. Basically, you need three points to pass, and you're good. Let's see. As long as this candle stops at the 680s and bounces back up, I think the longs have a nice shot.
Yeah, but we gotta wait this out. It's gonna battle at 700, I think.
Yeah. Man, I kind of want to be a part of it though. Let's see. Because stops then would be, yeah, I could go in with one teeny tiny then since we're unsure. Hey, Chop Trader. Good morning, sir.
I mean, but this also was a bear flag.
Yeah, yep. And the 5 minutes forming a bear flag. It's just my theory that there's no wicks on the top of these candles. So that 925 candle, that 920 candle, I think we want to put wicks on them before we go south. That would bring us
Right.
back to the 750s. So we'll try just with one little guy. We'll see if it comes down. We'll really reload into it at the 640s if it decides to come down.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
That's a
you
good.
know.
I mean, just to get that pop over 700, and then
Yeah, see if it won't keep going. I mean, I do really like this little wick. I like that it kind of came down and hopefully stopped a couple people out that were trying to go long there. If we could get one teeny tiny wick maybe to the 70s, it makes it a little bit stronger. But the only thing that's hard
yeah,
to always remember, though, is we did just rocket ship up 200 stinking points,
yes,
just
and we
randomly.
were about 50 points from all-time highs,
Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
which at the beginning of the week, who thought that was possible?
Oh shit, Hydro, he took a 10K loss. PW went long at 710. Uh-oh. I'm still long. I'm up. Hey, listen, let PW know that Greg from Sink or Swim Trading took the same trade and he's actually up $3.50.
Well,
So
at the
if
moment,
if he wants me back on the stream, listen, if he wants me back on the stream, I can show him how to make $13. You know?
I can get him some Qdoba money.
Yeah, shit.
I haven't watched. I don't even know if he still goes to Qdoba.
Dude, I haven't been watching it forever, and I feel bad. I know it, man. I know. I mean, the guy's life is just absolutely phenomenal. I can't believe, like, the Baja races and stuff. That would literally be a dream. To race trophy trucks in Baja would be such a friggin' dream, man. What a rush. Hey, morning,
Yeah.
Cowboy 88. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. It's good to see you. Kind of stuck in this long that's hopefully going to do something, but just with one teeny tiny little guy, just to see if our thesis will be right.
Oh man, I got in and out. I'm $2 away now.
$2? No, bud, no. I'm starting to trail it now just in case it just tries to sneak down.
I tried clicking at 11.
Yeah. Would be cool, but I do enjoy my job too, says Gunner. Yeah, dude, it sounds like you do some crazy stuff. So what are you actually doing here, Mr. Gunner? You're in the middle of you're in the middle of the ocean right now on a sat phone, right? Or something like that. Get to shoot full autos whenever I want. Nice, bud. Another crazy little wick down makes me kind of get excited about jumping in that long again.
Yeah, we gotta wait. We gotta see if this 80 holds up.
Yeah, I know, man. You're being a nice
Because
voice of
if this
reason.
thing closes strong, I'm shorting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean we got all these candles, but I mean we got this wick. I'm just saying. I'm not saying it's a bad long. I'm saying
Yeah.
if we didn't have this wick here and we had just a big red candle.
Yeah. That's that wick that gets me excited for the long, though. The fact that it came down probably stopped out some longs out. But you're right. It could sneak down. So, A Gunner provides security for high-valued assets owned by the government. Damn, bud.
Does that mean UFOs?
Yeah, basically.
UAPs?
So he's in the know. He's in the know. Dang, man. So where are you even located? Are you allowed to tell us? Where in the middle of the ocean are you? Man, the 9 is still providing a little bit of support here.
Yeah.
We are pushing,
looking
man.
good.
We are stinking pushing. ES is pushing. We're pushing. Where's our pivot point? Our pivot point resistance point's up here at 728. We hit our heads against the 720s and came back down. So he's all in and along again. Oh my god, dude. PW is all over the damn place. I can see that.
Oh, he's
I mean,
having
again,
one of those days.
I'm getting excited about the long. Gunner says, LOL, good try. You're not getting my high valued net worth, people. Yeah, that's cool, man. That would be a fun job. I mean, like I said, I tried. I wanted to be a Marine Air officer. And then they said, well, besides, the whole PCS, OCS thing, they also, insanely enough, didn't like the way I did push-ups because I broke my collarbone snowboarding way back in the day. But like I said, I was Division I track athlete. We're doing like Olympic weight sets and everything else. And, I'm banging out these push-ups. I'm like, what the fuck you mean you don't like my push-ups? What a dumb thing to say.
All right, I still like a short if we get a big red candle.
All right, bud. Let's see. I mean, I do admit on the 5-minute, that's a very nice looking bear flag on the 5-minute. For both NQ and ES, VIX is curling up to the top of its range. NQ's having that gap fill to the bottom, NVIDIA having the gap fill to the bottom. And us blasting up.
We got our 15-minute range set.
Yeah. We blasted up 3,000 points in the last week, so a little bit of a pullback on a Friday. It wouldn't be unheard of. Look at these EMAs curling up, though, man. So let's see. If you wanted to go long here, which I kind of want to do, Your stop would be the 680s. So it'd be a 30-point stop. But yeah, man,
I
I mean,
mean,
again,
yeah, dang, already a 30-point stop. Yeah.
yeah.
Jeez. Long way to go down.
Yeah, man. And, the 1 minute does look like a really nice, again, really nice head and shoulders. We're building out the shoulder right now. We kind of had a little bit of a kaboom here, though. Ooh, there you go. Hitting that
Oh, there
200.
it is. Dang it.
Let's see, is a continuation going to happen now? A gunner played in Afghanistan with the prior Mujahideen in Masir-e-Sharif. Life's been a hell of a ride. Oh my God, man, I can't even imagine. That's definitely some crazy experiences. That's some crazy experiences. And I gotta imagine it would be hard to like come back and work for like Best Buy after that. How can you work for a corporate America after Afghanistan? He took a 15K loss. Yo, so that's why I kind of stopped following Patrick, man. I love him to death. He is the king. He is him. Blah, 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 blah. His trades, he has huge trades, phenomenal trades. But at the same time, he can just blow evals left and right and left and right and left and right, and not care, because he can also then
doesn't have to care.
Right, exactly.
I mean, but you hear all these other like if you go on X or Twitter, whatever you call it, and if you look at what a lot of these people do is they just blow through accounts because they know that if they can pass them,
right,
and then they can just trade them, that they're going to get lucky, they're going to make money.
It's a numbers game, right? And then also the social media aspect of it is, if you can show a $40,000 trade and stuff like that, people aren't going to care that you blew up, 800 accounts to get there because you're not showing the 800 blowups. You're just showing that 40,000,
Well, right. And, I'm making a social media on this eval I just passed.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show this screen. And so it took me 9 days.
Beautiful.
And
that's perfectly
I'm going to show this.
That's perfect.
All these green days.
Yep.
And everybody's going to think they can do that.
Yeah.
And
dude, and it seems so easy too when you look at that and you're like, oh, you only have to make $250 a day. Like, this guy's making 40 grand. It must be easy to make $250 a day until you sit in that seat, man. And then you're like, oh shit,
Yeah, and then look at this. I was down 750 this day.
Yeah.
And
brought her back. Dude, I love that your name is oh wait, never mind. That's just oh, I'm an idiot. For some reason, I thought you named your chart Marco. Like, if you look at the YouTube right now, but that's just the little thing that I put up there,
I like that. That's nice.
Yeah, it looks good.
This is not easy.
Yeah, it's not easy.
But,
especially that consistency, man. That consistency is not easy. Shoot, we should have taken that long down there at that wick too. 634.
Oh yeah. All right, let's get back to business. Yeah. Oh, that would have been a great long.
Yeah, I know it, man. There's a couple different times too that I was like, I should jump in.
Well, no, but this is good. Like, we got these 3 big candles. Like, I'd like a bull flag.
Mm-hmm.
Or I think I'd like a bull flag. Yeah. Look, we just came off of the
Nvidia's ripping, dude. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is up to 201, blasting off. What time is it?
This
is a 950 candle, so we got to give it 15 seconds. Like, look at that rejection right there.
Yeah, let's look at the 4-hour really quick.
Yeah, I don't mind a long. The EMAs are curling up nice.
We'll just look at the 1 hour. Yeah,
Hey, Charles. Good morning, sir. How we doing, buddy? How we doing?
I think this hour candle wants to go green.
Wants to go green? Oh shit, man. Well, look at the 1 minute now. After you said it.
Well, we can show people how not to be consistent and chase this, Greg.
Right? Charles goes, just go long and go cut the grass. Dude, I'm friggin' tempted, man. Holy jeez, how is this thing still going up? Ooh, jeez, don't get your foot stuck.
Go drive that Lambo that you got out there.
Dude, right? The friggin' Lambo tractor?
Yep.
Man, the only thing is we just came up, tested this shoulder. Son of a gun, man. 951, still rocket shipping. We blasted through our resistance point that would have been at 728 here. Ooh,
We got a long way to go, Greg. I mean,
because we still got to put
the
upper wicks. You know, I'm gonna chase it. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna chase it, and I'm gonna add back in at the 700s because I'm guessing it's gonna come down to the 700s. But if it doesn't, and it goes straight up to fill these wicks, 751, 774. So 774 is the end all be all.
All right, let's. Yeah, you got a lot of room to DCA on this bad boy.
Right? I don't know. That's the only thing is I'm jumping in early here, guys. Hydro, he's long, won't sell until 26,800. After losing all that money, he says, there it goes. Woo! There goes those bells, says Gunner. Yeah, dude, I know it, man. Especially when I start getting excited, you know? Gunner, so you know the guys that got in trouble in Iraq with Eric Prince? No, man, I actually don't. I'm not, as much as I try to stay up to date on things, man, I'm not as worldly as I like to believe. My wife is a lot more dialed in with all that stuff than I am. We do have the 9 crisscrossing over the 21 and the 50 right now. The VIX is dropping down beautifully. I think we're going to add in some here at the 705s.
Yeah, so I got an order sitting out here in case it breaks out big time.
Yep. Oh, what do you have the order above it?
Yeah, so
if it pushes through, you're tagged
in right here.
Yep, I get it. So if it breaks 733, you're in.
Yeah, so we're going to, how much time is left in this candle?
Happened back in 2007, 2008, same job. Dang, man, you've been in it for a long time.
So we got 2 orders sitting here
you got your
to join your long.
Status. Hell yeah. Hey, Jose. Good morning, good sir. As always, we appreciate you hopping in, saying hello. Which, man, my shorts have been doing terrible lately. And that's the thing I noticed is missing, is I don't have my Jose Miguel saying biggest and largest on my shorts anymore. You guys have abandoned me for Cowboy.
Well, Greg, look at the day chart.
Yeah.
We've just been going up every day.
We didn't want that to happen. Yipes, dude.
Oh, I took my orders off.
Yipes, dude. Well, actually, you know what? The fact that it instantly popped back up.
DCA.
I'm getting kind of excited about it. If I'm being honest, I'm getting kind of excited about the long now. We do have to be a little bit careful because, holy shit, if that continues down, we are screwed, but...
Yeah, I think I need to wait for a green candle now to go long.
Boom. Boom. Hold on, let's get some stops in because now we have a beautiful trade that's basically free. Ah!
You started buying?
Yeah, I bought the shit out of that, man. Oh, no. But I didn't have my last stop in because I thought that runner was going to run a little bit better. Oh, geez, actually, it didn't even work out. After all that excitement because of the DCA, I think I'm just flat on the day. Yeah, I'm up $6 on the day. The $7 you needed to make, I just made it for you.
Hey, I got it. I got that $7.
Dude, I mean, that was an atrocious drop. We just survived 738, 671. And now we're up. Look at this. Look at what I'm up on the day. 72 cents. Take that, Patrick Wheeland. You lost 15 grand. I'm up 72
what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Oh, God, man. Look at that. Boom. What a crazy effing wick down, man. I'm glad I got out of that clean. I would have been mad if I had lost a bunch of shmoneys on that.
Man, that thing was going to send you to the hospital with a heart attack.
Yeah, dude. Especially when you saw my whole trade of 8 glitched. It just froze on me. So I thought it was going to open up even lower, you know. I thought I was just going to open up to a blown account or something like that, you know. Dude, you gotta love those Trump candles.
Oh.
Gotta love the Trump candles. Hey, what happened to my schmusic? I was really excited about that. Where'd that go?
Wait, I'm working on
Oh, because we're doing it together now, and I had that on my Tradeovate. Hold on a sec, sir. I was really excited about that. I gotta add this back in.
Markets open. Will we sink?
Can you hear that? It's probably really faint.
Will we swim?
I got the YouTube muted,
Oh,
but
okay.
I can't hear it over the.
So you can't hear it over the speakers, yeah.
No.
Sorry. You'll have to go back and rewatch it. I mean, for me too, I have to have it muted so low. I gotta start doing like the headphone thing so I can rock out. We have like, my buddy created 5 little sink or swim songs for us. They're all in like a reggae theme. So A Gunner up 5,600 on the portfolio so far for the day. Actually, you know what? I haven't even looked at my live account yet. Let's look at the live account.
Stop filled.
Whoa,
All right,
stop
so
it.
I'm in a long now.
Oh shit, I thought that was me. I was like, whoa, what am I doing? Alright, man, I'll jump in that long for you. It looks like we're trying to get a little bit of a bull.
We'll see. I mean, I'm getting wicked.
Only up 213. I thought Google was doing better. I didn't even look. Just future markets are going crazy, so I figured Google and Meta were up. Oh no, Google's down No, Google's up 0.26. Meta's only up 1%. I actually might get out of some of my Meta. Get them gains, boys. I appreciate it, Gunner. Shoo! I mean, this is a really good, really friggin' good wick down there. That was a really good wick down there. As long as somebody didn't know something,
Ugh.
which maybe somebody knows something. That's why we're keeping a little bit smaller right now, gang, because holy jeez. Imagine we fall off the cliff. So hold on a sec. I just gotta sell some Meta really quick. Sell specific shares. Oh man.
Man, I didn't know how buying and selling stocks.
Yeah.
That really, when it came to doing taxes, it cost me extra money to do my taxes.
What do you mean? Oh,
Well, just
just
'cause you gotta pay to do the
for
1099,
them to
whatever.
go through it all. Yeah, dude. I've never really noticed. I think we pay. It's a lot, man. We probably pay like almost $400, I would say, to get our taxes done. But she does a phenomenal job. Like I said, though, the crazy thing about this year is I'm gonna have a $980,000 loss on my taxes, which I can't wait to see how that goes. Oh God. We haven't even filed yet. We had to file an extension because we're still waiting for one of my dissolved businesses to give me the stinking K1. We'll see if Intel goes to 80 next week. Then I got to figure out what to utilize 8K on. Well, this is earnings season right now, Gunner, so you kind of got to be a little bit careful.
So it looks like this long's working out.
Yeah. Shoot, man, right. I don't even know. What is your position size? Oh, you're just in a little
I
guy
just
like
took
me?
one.
Yeah, you're like me.
I'm doing this for entertainment purposes only.
Right? Which even then, you can trail the stop now, guarantee 10 points, see if it comes back down, re-enter, and then you're at least doubling up on it. But let's see, I would still love for us to go up to that 774 level.
Man, so looking at this, I mean, really, if we break through this and we keep going, the next logical place is probably testing the 800s, and I'm going to get taken out at 30 points.
Well, we got to do it. We got to do it at 775 because again, that's that upper wick for that 5-minute candle. That's my whole like trading theory. When I finally come out with my
going to
course,
test your trading theory.
my course is going to say the art of the. Actually, Conway and I, we originally joked about that. We were going to make that course called the art of the DCA. That was actually going to come.
Hey, Greg, I don't know. I think I want to get out at 50.
You getting out at 50? What?
Okay, no, I can stay. I'm just going to move the stop loss up so that.
I mean, I'll put it right here. I'll put it to 742. Put your stop loss at 742.
Nah, man, we're going to either get there or not.
Well, this is the first candle that it put a wick on, which was the 925 candle. So we could have a retracement back to the 9 now. And then we could have a pop back up to the 774s. So.
Yeah. So this was a good trade. I mean, I got 1 to 1.
Great trade, man. It was a phenomenal trade. Phenomenal trade. Look at that. We're up. I mean, what is this? We're up 30 points on the trade. We're sitting here. We're feeling good about it. We're in the driver's seat. She's still dancing up. Don't get out yet, sir. Hold on. Because, look, we only got 5 seconds left of this candle. Then our brand new candle will either wick us down and take us out, or... Which it did. Oh, I'm already stopped out, but I didn't realize you kept your stop way down there. This is a nice candle, though, man. I can see this pushing up right here. Unless it decides to come back down to that 9.
You're sink or swim. I'm all or nothing.
All or nothing, baby. Which, man, exciting day today as well, which you'll appreciate. It's my 5-year-old's birthday, just turned 5. And we're going to Disney today. Yay! You know? I know, right? But it's the today's the Flower and Garden festival month at Epcot. So the food they have right now is so stinking good. I'm really excited. Right now they're at a little farm school thing. I just wanted to get a quick stream in, and then we'll be back at about 11 and we'll sneak out to Disney.
Yeah, get out to Epcot. I mean, on a Friday, that sounds kind of busy.
Yeah, it's his birthday, so it is what it is. Otherwise, I agree. Normally speaking, we cherry pick our days pretty well.
Yeah, but
76, right?
We were just talking about maybe when we come down to Florida next year.
Yeah.
Putting aside an extra $3,200 for those Disney annual passes.
Ooh.
Or maybe we can just start paying some of your guys' utilities and.
Yeah, man. It's fine with me. We already have 10 people that do it. What's another 11? You know?
Get our name on a bill.
Yeah, but you like the Airstream? You guys could be on the Airstream Electrical. Which, there you go. If you need a place to stay, don't forget about us.
You got a different meter on that?
Yeah. Yeah, we actually do. I know, so actually, there is somebody already on that meter, though.
Another Florida resident?
Yeah. You know? Oh, God. I don't know why that reminded me of it. It reminded me of DeSantis when the green bill, when the weed bill came up for recreational use. It was voted on like, I don't know, 63% yes or something like that. And so everybody thought that it had passed, but what we didn't realize where we were a state where it has to be a 65% majority for something specifically like that.
Oh.
But then he came on. He's like, listen, guys, listen. At the end of the day, we are a recreational state. He's like, if you wanted it, do you know how easy it is to actually go out and get that card? He's like, do you all really have glaucoma? I was dying, man. He's like, I know. He's like, he said, like, we have X amount of medical cards out there. He's like, do you really think all these people have glaucoma? Man, I was dying laughing.
All right, Greg, I think depending on how this closes, I'm going to get out.
Yeah, I just got out.
But if we can hit the 60s.
Yo, Gunner, up 7K on the day. Big up, bud, big up. Is that all, you're talking about your stocks, so you're talking about, like, open is obviously up, your portfolio as a whole is up, presumably, right, sir? Dude, I'm proud of you, Marco. Look at this shit, man. You're doing great, dude.
Well,
great.
We took out, so
look at this.
So the theory, here's how it works, is if we take out a swing high,
yeah,
and then we have a bull flag play out, it has to go and test the next swing highs. And if we're going to be bullish on the day,
right,
we have to continue to take out highs.
Well, bud, you have a 50-point trade right here. You're about to have a 50-point trade. Beautifully, beautifully, beautifully executed, beautifully done. I got in and out twice.
No.
I got 70 bucks just in and out twice. Well, I don't know. Hold on, though.
Oh, no, I should have got out at the 50 points.
Hold on, though. Let's see.
Oh, that was the 5-minute candle. That's okay, so all the shorts are getting trapped now.
Yeah.
All right, let's lock in those 50 points.
Yeah, beautiful trade. So how have you felt about the 15-second, the differences and everything? Do you like it? You don't like it? What are the thoughts?
I can't do that.
It's a little too much, right? It's a little bit too like cocaine-like, just man, look at that. I didn't even have my light on.
I mean, but then again, if your edge, if you can develop an edge around the 930 open,
yeah. Oh yeah.
because that's where you're going to make the most money.
Oh, yeah. You get a 100-point swing just that first 30 seconds.
Yeah, but you don't know if it's going to be choppy or if it's going to go up or how fast it's going to move.
I would like to. That would be a very curious back testing. Is if you never changed it every single day, you just went long it open every single day, regardless of what your bias was. So it was a pure blah 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 blah. But yeah, you just always went it would be basically 10 seconds before market starts, you slam open, it'd be like 2 NQs or something like that, and you'd have one take profit at 40, and then one take profit at 80 or something like that, and then you do the same thing with your stop loss, 140 points down, 180 points down, and every single day you do it. So it'd be a coin flip, but the rule of averages. And with it, we've had such a bullish market. Think about that. We've had such a bullish market that I think that you probably end up winning maybe 60-40 or something, and maybe that ends up evening out the whole dang thing.
Well, what you just have to do is you just have to not blow up your account. It's different if you were trading your own money, because if you make $2,000 one day, you lose $1,000 the next day, you're fine. But if you're in an account and you haven't gotten above the buffer,
right,
you're just hosed.
Yep. Man, so we are still doing just absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, we got to blow through the 60. But then,
again, that 776, that was the original target, bud. You're still ripping towards it. Beautifully done.
Can you take me home? Man, I saw those guys in concert in 1999 or maybe 2001.
Yeah. Oh, guys, I didn't even realize the music was so loud. Yeah, I can see it now. When I set this thing up, I recorded it and everything, and I made sure it was at the right decibel level. I put it right around -40, and when I just went back, it was back to 0 basically. So people probably, unfortunately, couldn't even hear us talking. We were probably just blaring stinking music. Yeah, I know it. Well, thanks for saying, Isaiah. So how is it now, bud? Does it sound a lot better now? Up to the 760s here. Come on, open. Don't be a bee, says Gunner. Gunner, let us know. Let us know about the music versus the volume of our sound, our voices and stuff. Is everything correct now? Is it a good mixture? Dude, you did it beautiful. You did it stinking beautiful. You beautifully held. Beautifully done.
Order filled.
There it is. Full 50 pointer. Full 50 pointer for Marco. Beautifully done, sir. Look at that. That feels good on a Friday, right? Feels good on a Friday. Shoo. Gunner says we are good. And look at that. Here, we're finally putting that candle. Our end all be all price target, that 776, hitting right now. Which, man, unfortunately, I ended up getting wicked out at about 750. So I missed about 17 points on that. Yeah, look at that, Marco getting some W's in the chat. Getting some nice W's in the chat. Alright, so what kind of trend line do we have? Yeah, I don't know if we should have like a bigger sweep like that, or if it comes in and sucks them all tight. Nice fitty. Yo, Hydro's giving you the nice fitty. 50 cent. Dude, which speaking of, just popped in my head, man. So we went to, man, sorry, just so many stories always, right? We went to Formula One, Austin, Texas last year with my dad. Yeah, that was last year. And the guest celebrity artist ended up being Eminem. Which my dad is just, you know, he knows nothing about rap music at all. He listens to smooth jazz, you know. So bringing my dad to his first ever Eminem concert was, man, it was so stinking funny. I was dying laughing. He couldn't believe it. You know, just couldn't believe like the lyrics, the crowd, the ambiance, everything. Oh, I know, man. He was not. We left after only like 8 songs, you know. At least he let me listen to 8, but yeah, he'd been all about it, man. He'd have been all about it. But even he played like White America or something like that. That's a pretty intense one. And it's like where he keeps raising up his middle finger and saying like "F you, America" and stuff. My dad's like, "Holy shit, what is this?" And I'm like, what? I was like, I like most of his music, but some of the stuff does get a little intense, you know. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it was unique. It was unique. Unique New York. So I love that wick. I didn't jump in. I should have. Did we ever put that wick on that 5-minute? Technically, we did. Yep, only 10:13. So Gunner is calling 26,922 by the end of the day. Holy jeez, man. I mean, that'd be a little insane. That'd be a big rip. I saw the new Sublime back in 2009. Nice, dude. Dude, Nvidia blasted. Nvidia's up to 201.58. Let me see if I have this set up for you right now. I do. Look at that. It works. Yeah, man, look at Nvidia. So absolutely blasted up to 201.51. It does have a resistance point up here at 201.93, which is almost 100% of the move as well. But as long as Nvidia keeps ripping, I mean, we're going to keep ripping as well. Damn it, not to chase this move, but
it has a high from 909.
Yeah. Man, these are the silly moves now where I'm doing hope and pokes that don't make a lot of sense, but there's still sensibility to it. But yeah, I think I'm going to chase the longs. Add into it again if it comes back down to like 728. Unfortunately, stop is way down here at 690 though, so it's a massive friggin' stop.
Oh, for your long?
Yeah.
Not at 736. So that gives you.
Markets open.
Yeah. It is looking good. I do like that wig. I should have entered a lot quicker. I was mid-story there. See if we can get one more retest of the 21. I really don't want it to break though 735. That would suck. ES is starting to turn a little red. VIX has a little strength to it. And unfortunately, NVIDIA curled down a little bit because that's the one that I really need to push. For the push to continue. Yeah, I don't know. My confidence was based on adding wicks to those candles. We added wicks to those candles, so I should probably just get out of this trade. I don't have the confidence in it. We can break 776. Charts on the screen, candles start to dance. Nasdaq Futures giving me a chance. Yep. VWAP sitting like a line in the sand. Price pulled back, now I'm making a stand. Yeah, nothing's really looking terrible, but it's also just not necessarily a place to enter a trade. This is just a hey, let's hope it keeps going up because it's been going up trade, which are never the correct trades. Yeah. Right. You're good. Oh, I know, right. And I'm about to get out right now because I don't have confidence in the trade. There was no reason, no logic for me to take the trade, so I shouldn't have taken it. Alright, so we got out of it. Alright, we gotta wait for something to happen. I mean, that it was based on that wick, but again, it shriveled up into nothing. I mean, look at these teeny tiny little candles now. We had 56 to 68. They were just like 10 pointers. Our range is supposed to be 17 here. All right, these songs are good. TC made this. No hydro. I mean, same exact concept, but my buddy that owns a audio visual company here called Thunderground Media. So if anybody ever needs any audio or visual, I don't know what to actually call him. He's not really audio visual. Like, he owns, I guess, an audio visual company. I don't know what the hell to call it. But he has like big accounts where he does all of their social media marketing and puts together all their reels. And like, one of his big clients back in the day was the My Pillow guy. He created all of his infomercials and commercials for the My Pillow guy. Yeah. Oh, no way. My coffee. That's awesome. My coffee. Thank you, Hydro, though. I do appreciate that. Yeah, it's kind of a good vibe, right? There was a day that I was almost thinking about going into a pirate vibe because I was like, sink or swim, But that's just not my vibe. I'm too happy, friendly, and blah, blah, blah of a person. So instead, it's got the regular vibe. Marco, when you come back, you'll have to come back and watch the stream and everything so you can actually hear the songs. But dude, that 50-pointer. Yeah, bud. And hopefully we're recording today. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, bud, I'll be able to get you that 50-pointer over to you. Man, the next thing I'd love to do, and Trading Cowboy's doing it now, I just can't find the right price point to do it at, is he's having AI create all of his shorts for him. And they're doing a great job, he's getting a lot of good views out of them. But it's like every company I've looked at so far is a credit-based system. And for you to upload like a 4-hour long YouTube live, that costs like 7 or 8 or 900 credits in itself. And like a 3,000 credit month is like $80 or something like that, and that would only be good for like 2.5 videos, basically, or 3 videos. So yeah, I can't find a company yet where it'd actually be, under like $5,000 basically for me to upload. Which I just gotta text him and see. I was gonna ask him yesterday, but he didn't. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, look at that little spikety spike, man. All the way down to 700s. Oh, man. Yeah. Damn, look at this. Yeah. 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 Oh, frustrating, man, right? I mean, these wicks, though, these have been dirty wicks lately that have been so quick. Look at this wick that just happened. This is a 40-point wick that instantly got eaten back up, That's crazy. Hydro, PW just ripped his shirt off. He is still long. Damn, did he get stopped out at this, He usually doesn't ride stops though, but yeah, that would have been a crazy stop then. If he was on, if he had that many contracts out, got stopped out -40 for it just instantly popped back up. Man, I'm almost tempted to take the long with just the, what time is it? 56, 3 more seconds. Let's see a brand new candle. The stop would be the base of this candle, basically. Yeah. Uh-oh. I just hit buy, but nothing happened. I literally just hit buy. It didn't even work. Oh, there you go. I hopefully... Oh, yeah, there it is. VIX is curling up just a little bit though. Nvidia is back down at its top of its ORB box, so hopefully that gives it a push back up. Dude, I know, right? I was trying to convince myself now that I'm in the trade, but like I started looking around, looking at everything else, and I'm like, why didn't you look at any of this stuff before you entered the trade, Greg? You know? Especially look at the EMAs curling down right now too, which I don't love. Now we're back down to the 50, which I don't love. So, don't love this. You got us, yeah, you're potentially going in short. I know, man. This is not a good spot for me to be in.
Stop filled.
I see it. You're still in it. It looks like you're still in it. Oh, something just got dinked. That sounded like a blown account dink. I thought it was me for a second. I was like, whoa, what just happened? I didn't do that bad, did I? Come on, 10 seconds. We need this 5-minute push to come up and save me now. Oh shit, Nvidia just fell off a cliff. Oh, not good for the long. Not good at all for the long. Uh-oh. I'm gonna start putting some stops in, unfortunately. I think I gotta get out of this trade. Yeah, shit. I just don't like what Nvidia looks like right now. Nvidia looks, unless it bounces, if Nvidia can bounce off its little pivot point right here, I'm okay. If not, we're getting tapped. Here's our 5-minute push, or 30-second push. Yeah, maybe. Not terrible anymore. Shoot, flat on the friggin' day again, man. What a dumb day so far. Ducks on the water. Let's ride. Bitcoin is ripping up 77,000 today, says Gunner. Volume's coming back for open. Oh, man. Oh, what a dumb day. Yeah, I still think the shorts is looking better than the long. Man, how funny is that too? We're almost, oh no we're not. I thought we were almost in sync with our points. Like, you were down 30, I was up 30 at the same exact time. I was like, this will be interesting. It's like the perfect fade. Hey, Trading Cowboy! So do I go long or short? I know, we literally were just talking about that right now. Listen, man, that's why we got them both on here. We win in either way, right? Winning either way. Though I'm out now. Now I'm down on the day. Son of a gun. Drop the rope, now I'm locked in glide. Carving that wake like a rising
appetite. Same discipline from the morning trade. Now it's flow on water, no fear, no shade. Jet box loud when I hit that turn. Next day is cool like she already learned. Duck scatter quick when the way
Yeah, man. I mean, Nvidia really pushed down hard.
perfect bounce right off the WAP line. Now I'm cutting waves with the same control. Different kind of chart, but I'm in the zone.
There you go. That's a good little wick.
Right where the risk on screen or this board I ride. Every move got a cause and effect. Stay loose, stay sharp, earn that respect. Sink or swim,
Right.
but I'm riding clean. From the market open to the lake serene. Meg and Jet, yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way, sink or swim. Oh, let it ride, don't force the line. Whether wake or trade, gotta trust the time. Ducks drift by while the sun dips in. We just laugh at the edge, sink or swim. Used to think it's all about the wind.
I gotta be my own fan here, he says.
Stack it again, but peace it's different when the boat cuts slow and your dog's right there in the golden glow. Meg, look back like she knows the deal. Jet stay high.
Dude, it's a hard one, man. Honestly, it's a hard one. You got the EMAs crawling down really stinking nice. Nvidia was, yeah. Nvidia was falling off the cliff, but it stabilized just a little bit. I mean, we haven't made any lower lows yet. Yeah. Real on the 5 minute though, that was a really nice bounce off of VWAP on the 5 minute. Or not VWAP, I mean the top side of org. ES is looking real strong. Oh my god, I'm back in. I'm back in the long. God damn it. Yep. What time is it? 10:29. This should be our 30-second push right here. We need to give us something a little better than that, though. Uh-oh. Yeah, shoot. No. No, I know, I get it, man. I get it. It is what a T is. It is what a T is. I know ES was looking so much better just a second ago. And now the 5 minute is turning real weak. That's a terrible looking 5 minute candle.
Stop filled.
Dude, that's a hard one, man. This is a very choppy day. Choppy day. Yeah. Back to, oh my god, dude. Oh, what a dumb day. I went from being up 20 cents on the day. Now I'm up 36 cents on the day. I mean, they do say that if you can be a break-even trader, you're on the cusp of being a great trader. The mental game of trading. Nice. Yeah. Yep.
Like for some traders at one point, because it's dynamic, you never
Right. Right.
But then
I like the concept. Yeah.
you're seeing
Right. Yeah. No, I honestly, I absolutely love that. That's a phenomenal concept to think about. That don't really worry about. Not to mansplain it again, but yeah, man, that's just perfectly said. You know, instead of literally just keep trying to chase, hey, my best days ever, I want it to be a $2,000 day or $5,000 day or $10,000 day. Instead, focus on your worst day ever. Instead of it being a $2,000 day, have your worst day ever be a $500 day or maybe a $300 day or something like that. And then your B day is maybe like a break-even day or something like that. And then your A day is a $200 day. And then just keep shifting the C's and B's days, and you'll find that naturally the A days will shift themselves, you know.
and then another thing is
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so don't force it sometimes, right? Yep. Yep. Dude, I know, and I freaking got out of the long just because, you know, it's just, I don't know. And look at this, we have this beautiful trend line we've been following, we've just been supporting up this whole time. Yep. But yeah, everything just started looking a little shaky for a second there. ES has a really beautiful spike now. 812s, yeah. Let's see if we get a little pullback at the end of this candle, but damn. That was a hell of a push. 70, 80, 90. Damn it. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Well, it's just for success of anything, right? And everything, you know. I know, dude. It's the dog chasing the car. it's the dog chasing the car. Yep. I know it. Though this always makes me want to, you know, sometimes I think this short too. Let it pop to 820s and then take that short really quick for a little reversion play. Hydro goes good stop on the short. Yep, good stop on the short, sir. I know I should have held that long a little better. Well, Nvidia's forming a bear flag on the 5 minute that might play out. If Nvidia's bear flag plays out, I think we're going down.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Nvidia will want to take out the bottom of its 15-minute orb.
Yeah, or if it can rip through that pivot point too. VIX is starting to form, well, kind of an ugly bear flag, but it is trending up. ES is just spiking real nice, but it came up to that pivot point and then resisted. But again, it's hard to short something where it just continually is going up. It's going up and up and up and up and up. It's pretty hard to short it. Hydro's saying now we dump. Maybe, man, right? I really think if we do an 820, if we do an 820 wick, maybe I'll try the shorty short there. Do the buy, yeah. Snag the buy into it. Crazy. Man, so disappointed. 10:36. What the heck can we do? Man, this 5-minute candle doesn't have a bottom wick on it. That would bring us down to the 740s. That always gets me excited. That always gets me excited. No, man, because I think you're right. I think we are going to get a pop. And if we do, it should get up to the 820s. So, you know, you're going to get a 40-point pop. Nobody's mad about that. And it's silly to try to target a short right now, you know. That would just be if we get that quick wick up. Then I would target that short, and I would target it to probably come down to these 740s. But... So wick through the 9 is what you're looking for. It's forming a bull flag on the 1 minute.
Stop field.
Ooh, you in. Yeah, ES is breaking up above its pivot point. There you go. Nice little bump. There you go, 802. 802, sir. So what were you thinking all-time highs were?
Like 860s.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get stopped out now.
Well, it's got some strength.
We got this 10-second push.
It's got to now. It's got to now. Yeah, it's got to.
Order filled.
Nice, bud. Yeah. Hell yeah. There you go. There's the push. There's the push to 830s. Damn it. Look at that. That was a big push. Shoot, and unfortunately, that's kind of the push I was looking for to go short. Now I'm so scared to do it, especially with us being so close to the 860s. Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, that would have been... I had to be quick with that stinking wick. Yeah, but it is so strong, man. It would feel very silly to try to short this thing right now. Man, I hate all-time high trading. I say it every single time. It's so stinking hard. You know, because you don't have all the nice levels next to you either, especially when we have a 3,000 point run up, you know.
It's like water on a golf course.
Yeah.
It's always there.
Right. Yeah. I like it, man. Right. Yeah. Right. It's still gonna look good. Right. Try to ride it, yeah. Dude, I know. Is my fingers on the friggin' trigger right now, dude? How funny is that? Oh man, at some point this thing's gotta start short anything. The pivot point on the 1 hour now is all the way up at 27,251. How insane is that? Crazy, dude. This is crazy. I'm gonna try a short right now anyways. I know it's a little bit silly. 850? Yeah. Well, I'm already in one, but we'll wait for 850 for the next one. Because yeah, if 860s, I could see 850 rejecting before it hits all-time high, and then we'd probably come back up. Or really, my other reasoning behind it is just this one little white indicator. Not that I use it all that often, but and lately it's had so much momentum, it has been popping out of it. But usually, if it comes up to it, it'll reject and come back down for a sec. There's some small instances where it does kick all the way through, though. I mean, because again, we need to put a bottom wick on that 5-minute candle from 10:30, and that would bring us all the way down to 7:40. At least hopefully down to the 9, and then hopefully it just doesn't have a huge reaction back up once it hits the 9. What time is it? Yeah. No, I'm gonna drop it now. Let's see. It's probably gonna get wicked out right now for nothing. Yeah. I just don't know, man. I don't have the full confidence on it yet. Because look at ES is still freaking pushing, but VIX is still pushing. Nvidia is coming down just a little. Oh, it feels like a short. What time is it? It's 10:44 right now. We have 40 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. If it doesn't pop up like crazy, maybe we'll re-enter the short. At least we're finally positive on the day. I'm only $5.82 on the day right now, so 51,467. I was up $80 on the day, and then I bobbled that one long. Here's our new 1 minute. Formed a little bit of a bull flag on the 1 minute though. Good. Man, I'm gonna try the shorts again with an 805 target. Which again, this is just premature. I gotta stop trading like this. Usually I wait for like a nice wick and then I try to go in a different direction. Now I'm just trying to trade on a bias, and you should never trade on a bias.
I got an order at 837. Pop up to 852.
Yeah.
Sun's coming up, screens glowing gold. Another day in the life, stories get
Ooh,
told.
you're about to get tagged in right here.
Stop filled.
To the order flow. We ride the tide where the hot trades go.
Dang you, Nvidia, what are you gonna do? Nvidia's right at the top of its ORB right now.
And if I get stopped out, I'll go short maybe.
Man, it's getting hard. Getting hard to tell. Come on.
Charts on the screen, candle start to dance. Nasdaq Futures giving me a chance. VWAP sitting like a line in the sand. Price
Yeah, we're just kind of, now we're making each other nervous is basically what it is. I'm making you nervous for the long, you making me nervous for the short, and now we're both nervous. Yeah, yeah, I know. I get it. Yeah. No, now that the 9 is curled up so much, I don't like my short as much anymore. You think? Oh. Do something. Yeah, pushing. Shoot. Come on. A little lower. Oh no. He snagged it at the highest point. That sucks. Yeah, there you go, bud. There it is for you. There it is. Up to the 50s.
Order filled.
Shoot. Yeah, I gotta stop shorting this thing. It's gonna be a dumb idea. Oh yeah, I know, and that's what I was saying. I was so dumb to jump in the short there, and then I friggin' jumped in anyways. Because I'm like, maybe because we're at the 820s and 820 rejection, and now I'm just a little bit heavier than I wanted to be too.
No setup, just calling, just opportunity. Discipline strong, I don't force to play. Let the waves come to me, I'll wait.
Which is my only reason that I'm staying in a little bit longer, is thinking that maybe it'll reject here with everybody thinking he's gonna hit it. But at the same time, everything's looking so bullish, so I doubt it, man. It's gonna hit it. Yeah, shoot.
One more setup and I'm ready to go. Reclaim V.
Darn it. Yeah, there it is.
Before I close the line, hitting my target, I'm done for the day. Shut it down.
Shoot, man.
Let the ocean play.
Way too bullish. Way too bullish. Way too bullish.
Charts fade away, but I stick to the plan. Reflect on the trades as the sun goes down. Wins and the losses, I don't let them drown. Cause tomorrow brings a brand new tide.
Alright, bud.
Another chance for
Ugh, hopefully it don't pop while you're there.
Nasdaq flow, yeah, I'm feeling so brave. From the beach to the charts, I'm alive. Buy low, sell high, just to surf and survive. Oh, let it roll, let it breathe. Feel the rhythm of the market in the sea. Yeah, we glide, never fight the tide. Just a trader on a wave. Let it ride. Yeah. From the charts to the shore, we stay free. Just a trader and the deep blue sea. Ride it up, ride it down, stay true. Market waves and the ocean too. Out on the lake, screen gold, tucked away.
PW out, up 25 plus on that trade. Jeez, man. He was long then, obviously, wasn't he? Yeah, I was short, unfortunately. It didn't work out. I was short like the 820s. DCA'd a little bit. Got out not terrible. Down 22 bucks, unfortunately. But damn, bananas friggin' trade. I mean, again, we got this 5-minute candle that doesn't have a wick, so we're going to come back and retest the 740s eventually. I was hoping that 820s had some good reasoning behind it. VIX is still going up, which is weird. Nvidia's starting to curl down. Charles says new all-time highs incoming, which were so stinking close. So that was the other thing. I was like, yeah, maybe we'll reject it, which we did, but then 1052.
Be the man, sink or swim, but I'm riding clean from the market open to the lake serene. Meg and Jet, yeah, they roll with him. Life's one way, sink or swim. Oh, let it ride, don't force the line. Whether wake or trade, gotta trust the time. Ducks drift by while the sun dips in. We just laugh at the edge, sink or swim. Yeah, drop the road.
All right, let's see what Google's doing real quick. Damn, 334.65. So we're making some smoneyes. Meta's still going up too. Tesla would have been a good one. Tesla did pop pretty good over the last week. That's surprising though. All right, so forming a little bit of a bear flag here now in the 1 minute. Man, again though, it's pretty hard to friggin' short this thing. Oh. What time is it? So it's 10:53. We got 30 seconds left of this candle. I actually do want to short this based on what Nvidia is doing, if I'm being honest. But I was hoping to get past the 30-second push, that 10:54 30-second candle. Atta boy, Gunner. 10K on the day, he says. Atta stinking boy. That's a day to make you feel happy, huh? Nice day to make you feel happy. What are the chances? EMA curling down just a little bit, but we really got to break through the 831s now. I mean, that can always be the plan too. Let it break, see what it wants to retest and bounce, and then just start going long again, since the stinking thing wants to go long anyways. Trying to decide here, sir, what the heck to do. It does look weak temporarily. Nvidia's looking weak. I almost am tempted to short it down to like the 776s here. Ugh. Yeah, the only thing is I was thinking maybe probably the smarter thing to do would be wait until it comes down to this level and then you just go long instead. You know, that's kind of the safer thing to do. Yep.
Is trending down. We need to see if Nvidia holds at this 200.
Out on the lake screen, glow tucked away. Meg Jet, you already. Ducks on the water.
Well, we're back to green on the day. We're back to green on the day, sir. Oh my God, what a finicky effing day today has been. Yeah, I know it. I know. Which I'm at 817 right now. Hopefully it doesn't have too big of a bounce. Comes back up to the 21 maybe. Just fall right now. Don't do it. Just fall. Nah, she's going to wick it. 4 points away. That's all right. 10 on the day. Damn. Damn. Marco back from the bong hit, says Hydro. We heard it, man. We heard the microphone picked it up a little bit. You just heard a little. What was that, bud? Yeah.
breaking it down with the charts of water. I stick to the plan, read the flow, stay cool.
Pete either.
Sink or swim, but I'm riding clean. From the market open to the lake serene. Big and jet, get it roll with him.
Yeah.
Life's one way.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let it ride.
Which one's?
Force the line with the wake or trade. Gotta trust the time. Ducks
Yeah.
drift by while the sun dips
Oh
in.
wow.
We just laugh at the edge.
Yeah.
Sink or swim. Drop the rope, now I'm locked in glide. Carving that wake like a rising tide. Same discipline from the morning trade. Now it's flow on water, no fear, no shade. Jet box loud
Yeah.
when I hit that turn. Mix stays cool like she already learned. Ducks
Right.
scatter quick when the wake rolls through like breakout.
It is fantastic.
Thinking about a trade I took at 9. Perfect bounce right off the wrap line. Now I'm cutting waves with the same controls. Different kind of chart, but I'm in the zone. Balance strong, yeah, the stance feels right. With the risk on screen or this board I ride. Every move got a cause and effect. Stay loose, stay
Yeah.
sharp, earn that respect. Sink or swim, but I'm riding clean. From the market open to the lake serene.
Just in case. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Green on the screen, stack it again, but piece it's different when the boat cuts slow and your dog's right there in the golden glow. Make look back like she knows the deal.
You're one and only, huh?
That energy real, ducks in the distance, calm and free. Remind me what this
Around
life
people
should
once in a
be.
while. Yeah, man. Yeah, animals is a different, you know, it's a different animal too. You can't control how high you get. You don't know how high you're gonna get. It takes you an hour and a half usually for you to kick in, for you to realize, oops, now it's too late, you know. So yeah, that's definitely an interesting one, man.
Comes in, dogs jump around. Best kind of profit I ever
Yeah. So there was a wedding here in Florida, like 20 minutes from me. It was in Ocala, well, like 40 minutes from me. It was 2 years ago, where the catering company and the bride got arrested because they infused all of the wedding foods with weed without telling anybody, thinking that that would be a fun little, like, hey, look at that, there's actually weed in the food too, isn't that exciting? So there was like a couple people that like came up to her, and you know, she documents the entire thing. A couple people came up to her, they're like, oh my god, I feel fucked up. Did you put something in the food? And she's like, yeah, isn't that amazing? And they were like, oh my god, it's amazing. Most of the people though are like grandparents and relatives and like people that have never done it in their entire lives, you know? Oh my god, so there's people having like heart attacks, basically, like not actual heart attacks, but having like panic attacks because they didn't realize what was happening to them. So yeah, actually, you can look up this story. You'll see the police body cam footage of the police officer walking in, and there's like old people like lying on the ground, and they're just like, you know, because they're so high. And dude, it's such a Florida thing. I know. Of course, it's Florida where that story comes out of. I know it. I know, man. So, man, I don't know. A second ago, when this wicked down and started getting some heat, I was thinking the longs might be back in play. But now she actually is looking kind of weak. If it breaks through the 800s, man, if it breaks through the 800s, I think very feasibly we can target the 775s. Or we could also target the 740s. Yeah, bounces or breaks. Yeah. Yep. No, I agree with you. And VIX, look at VIX is in the toilet. Though it's almost to a bounce point. You know, it's almost to a nice little resistance point. Yeah, let me show the class. Real quick. So here you go. Here's VIX. VIX is almost at the bottom of its orb, so it's almost at this resistance point right here. If VIX bounces, then that means we're going to short pretty well. You know? If VIX goes up, we're going to short. If VIX keeps falling and breaks through its orb, we're going to rocket ship back up. Qs are curling down a little. NVIDIA is potentially hitting support right here as well.
what actually is the VIX? Like,
The volatility index.
okay,
So it's just the volatility index. So generally speaking, the lower the number, it's not even really based on numbers, because keep in mind VIX was up in the 30s last week, just because the volatility was so crazy. We're going up, we're going down, we're going up, we're going down. But generally speaking, if VIX is going down, the market's going up. If VIX is going up, the market's going down. So right now you're seeing literally VIX is coming down, so the market's having this little bit of a spike right now. If VIX comes back up to this point, 1750, we'll come back down to like the 804 region like you saw.
mm-hmm.
But VIX doesn't do the same candle thing like everything else does. You can't pay attention to candleless wicks, and you can't really pay attention to gaps on VIX either, because you'll see gaps will happen all the time, and they don't necessarily get filled or anything like that. It doesn't have the same rules.
So it looks like we're going up.
Yep. Yeah, because look, VIX is still going down, but VIX is at, again, its support point. See how VIX just popped back up? So we're going to pop back down for a sec. At least we should. Don't embarrass me, VIX.
Along there at like 835.
Yeah. Oh, see, now look at VIX. See how VIX just crushed through its little support thing? So if VIX comes down and hits this box, then we're definitely making a new all-time high. But it's
we're right at the start of a new hour candle.
Yep.
So the odds of us wicking into the all-time highs are probably 95%.
Yeah, probably pretty good.
Maybe 90%. Unless we just start selling off.
Yeah, which we could, because that used to be the theme, right? It used to be tease you with the long, and then turn around.
Markets open. Will we sink? Or will we swim? Sink or swim?
Man, I gotta get more salt. Look at that rejection. Look at that stinking rejection. Came up to 853, rejected hard. Yeah, I know, man. So again, here, so just so you can pay attention to it. So look at what VIX did. So VIX just came up, and it's looking like it has a lot of support now. So VIX coming back up to the top end of its orb looks a little bit more promising, which again would bring us down pretty hard. Man, sorry about the music thing, guys. I gotta figure that out. Every time it pops over here, it restarts the same exact song. Unfortunately, I only have 3 songs as well, so we keep replaying the same 3. But the average watch time is 15 minutes, so they're getting to see the 3 songs and then they move on. You know, it's nice.
Stories get told from the shoreline to the overflow. We ride the tide where the hot trays go.
EMAs are starting to get a little bit closer though. And look at that, the 9 is flatlining pretty good. For a buy? Yeah. On the 5 minute, looks like a pretty nice bull flag.
Stop filled.
He's in.
Nasdaq Futures giving me a chance. VWAP sitting like a line in the sand. Price pulled back, now I'm making a stand. Volume building, yeah, I feel that heat. Momentum rising like a drumline beat. Palm trees swaying.
Oh yeah, Nvidia curled up real nice. It's at the top of its orb again.
Like I'm playing my part. Support below and resistance high. Catch that breakout as it starts to fly. I don't chase, I let it come to me. Like a
Are you gonna hold that stop where it is, or do you want to revise that?
patience pays when you wait just right. Then I strike like lightning on the kite. I'm riding the tape like I'm riding the wave. Nasdaq flow, yeah, I'm feeling so brave. From the beach to the charts, I'm alive. Buy low, sell high, just to surf and survive. Oh, let it roll.
Man, and again, that's why I absolutely hate all-time high trading. It frustrates me so much.
Trade on the way. Let it ride. Opening and built in the volatility hits. Quick little scalp, yeah, I'm stacking my
To get in. Last chance to get in, he says. Let's see, we got five seconds left of this candle. Alright, I'll try one. All-time try. Here's my all-time high trading. I mean, Nvidia's right at the top of this shit. If it breaks through, I guess hopefully. Yep. There you go. Oh. Yeah, I was zoomed in really far. I got $3 off it though, bud. Yeah, dude, I hate all-time high trading. I friggin' hate it so much. I can see like Nvidia's right there, ES is right there. I don't know, VIX is right there. It should stinking pop, but I think you're gonna get it. I think I'd honestly almost be more interested in trying to get the short after the pop than trying to long at the top for the pop. But at the same time,
Stop filled.
the stinking thing just keeps going up and 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 up. So taking the monies and run. Take the monies and run. Another chance for a clean, smooth ride. I'm riding the tape like I'm riding away. Nasdaq flow, yeah, I'm feeling so brave. From the beach to the charts. 11:09. Here should be your, 5-minute, 30-second push. I mean, the bull flag on the 5-minute looks beautiful. Are you out of it? Oh, you're already out of it. The stop field sound way longer than you guys' voice. That stop field sounds way longer than you guys' voice. Are our voices too low? I mean, I have the trade of alerts pretty low. Hopefully the music isn't too loud any longer, is it? Which I have my microphones turned up as loud as it can get. I actually can't even turn it up any louder. I don't know why my levels have been all wonky lately. I'm even talking into the microphone for you today. Yeah, VIX is still coming down. Interesting. Yeah, I'm going to, man. I'm going to give it one more. Son of a bitch. I mean, same thing. I'm going to try to drop the stop in quick.
Stop filled.
Which is so funny that I said that and then you saw that I almost did drop my stop in there, which would have been $5. Just damn, with the all-time highs already, says Charles. I know it, man. I friggin' know it. Man, I'm just going to keep getting in and out. I'm just going to keep getting in and out because I'm a little nervous on it. And we're not having the best day, but we're having an okay day. And it's a Friday, and you don't want to leave a Friday on a big old bloody day. Dude, right? Look at these friggin' wicks. VIX is underneath its support point. Nvidia broke its little high thing we needed to hot break. Oh, it's definitely going up, man. Right?
Stop filled.
Oh man, you just got out too. I literally just got in when you just got out. Ugh. The EMA is curling a little. You probably should, man. I don't hate that either. That's what I was talking to you about, about maybe target the short when it does hit the pop instead of trying to long the top, which we're doing right now. But what the hell, man? None of this stuff makes sense because right now VIX is dropping like a rock. If VIX is dropping so far, we should be going up. But Nvidia is now dropping. PS is dropping. Yeah. Right. Yeah, man. I just keep getting in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Actually, that one didn't even work, even though I showed them both positive. That's stupid. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's see if we can get a little tap with like the 814s again. Man, what the fuck though? Look at VIX. That makes no sense.
Stop filled.
Green on the screen, stack it again. But peace hits different when the bow cuts slow. And your dog's right there in the golden glow. Meg look back like she knows the deal. Jets stay high, that energy real. Ducks in the distance, calm and free. Remind me what this life should be. Evening fall in the sky turns gold. Close the day, let the story be told. Win or loss, I leave it behind. Cause tomorrow brings another grind. But right now it's the way and breeze. Cool lake air through the cypress trees. Board comes in docks, jump around. Best kind of profit I have found. From the charts to the splash, it all
Damn, dude, look at VIX. That makes no sense now.
comes next. Whether deep in trades or out here free, it's the same mindset that carries me. Sink or swim, yeah, I'm all away. From the morning trades to the sunset wine. Meg and Jet, yeah, they're all with him. Life's one way. Sink or swim, oh, let it ride. Don't force the line where the wake
Order filled.
gotta trust the
Yeah.
ducks drift.
Good short, man. Good short.
I didn't like how it
We
just
just
started.
smile and
I
say,
mean, I made $7 on that.
sink
Yeah.
or swim. Meg check, another perfect day. Charts can wait.
We are in range.
Out on the lake, screen glow tucked away. Meg
Yeah, I
check,
feel so
already
silly keeping everything so tight, and then a second later I'm like, well, I'm glad I kept it tight.
let's ride. Sun cracked dawn and the shoreline gleam. Check one chart, then I kill the screen. Nasdaq move, still fresh in my head. But today is waves where the lines get red. Meg on the boat with the ears in the wind. Jet by my side like let's
Long.
go again. Ducks glide by in the perfect row, like clean little candles in a steady flow. Fire
Come
up
on,
the
baby.
wave, engine
Come
on
on, baby.
set that speed, let the good times roll.
Give us a real nice push, please.
Build that face. Now we got a wave I can really
Real nice push, please.
green just blew all around, but the same
Yeah.
gold mine when I'm breaking it down with the charts of water. I stick to the plan.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Be the man. Sink or
What time is it? 35. We still got 30 seconds left of this candle. Oh, don't retrace the whole thing. Huh? Yeah, but shit. It's based on them, coming home. So we'll hear a lot of chaos and commotion, and yeah, then I'll leave quite quickly afterwards. Which yeah, I'm very excited to see the little stinking kid again. He crawled into bed with us at like 6 o'clock in the morning. Little cutie. Damn it, man! I should have held it. Because I was keeps going down on the day.
Next day is cool like she already learned. Ducks scatter quick when the wake rolls through, like breakout candles when the volume grew. Thinking about a trade I took at 9. Perfect bounce right off the WAP line. Now I'm cutting
It's got to do it right now, man. It's got it.
kind of chart, but I'm in the
It's gonna go, dude. I know it's gonna go. I'm so mad. I don't know. I'm so tempted. I'm so tempted to jump back in right now. Because you know it's gonna just rip. It's gonna be a really quick rip to like 880s or something. It's gotta be for something, right? Right? You just don't want it to basically break this line. Right.
Green on the screen, stack it again, but piece it's different when the boat cuts slow and your dog's right there in the golden glow. Look back like she knows the deal. Jets stay high, that energy real. Ducks in the distance, calm and free. Remind me what this life should be. Evening fall and the sky turns gold. Close the day, let the story be told. When I lost, I leave it behind.
VIX is still going down. Nvidia's forming a nice little bull flag on its 5 minute. Though its current wick is looking a little weak. Hey, let's go, Jose. How we doing today, sir? Man, Jose, that's what you guys got to do is like Miguel. Like either Jose needs to be on this channel and Miguel is on that channel, or like you're on that channel and then, you know, Miguel's on this one, and then we can just keep both running, you know? Oh, there we go. They might be home. It might be time for me to go. How was it? You guys have fun? Yeah. Yeah, you definitely keep in mind you gotta change those clothes out, because that is gonna be way too hot for Disney. We got Marco here. You remember Marco? Oh, Gary Bear? Yeah, from the top of it. Alright, man. I know, this would be it. I'm almost tempted for the one last trade for a long. What do we think? One last trade for a long. Oh, don't screw it up on the way out, Greg. 832. Right? Right? Whoops. No, 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 no! Come on! I mean, we're still up 23 bucks, but... Are you ready? Okay. Dang it, I got wicked out on that, which a lot of longs probably did, but I still think... I mean, how's everything else looking? Oh, never mind. Nvidia broke its support. I know it, man, and I shouldn't have either, because I was happy. I was above. I was at 51,005, whatever it was, like 520. Right? I know. So I would love to make, you know, $16 more. Oh, I know it, dude. Right? It's only gonna cost us $500 today. No big deal, you know. Yeah, bud. Right? Just go to Spain right or Mexico right away. Oh shoot, man. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, yeah, man. Well, that's a tall, you know. What are you gonna get? Oh, you said that. That's a great idea, bud. I think he's really gonna like that. Oh. Well, continue to be there. Yeah, I guess we'll probably stay away from it. I'm just trying to get 30 more seconds to see if I can get $16 more on the day, which is always dumb. But... I mean, again, fuck, man. If I just hadn't gotten stopped out, I would have been positive on that. Positive on this trade right now. We need this to turn green. Yeah, I think so too. Especially because I'm trying to target a long and it's looking kind of weak. Oh yeah, because the close of London. Yeah. Oh, we're trading with everybody, baby. Oh, yeah, look at it. We're getting a little of that push right now. I know, right? I know, right? Son of a gun. Right. I was trying to be quick with the stop too. Oh, it's got to break the 9, break the 21. Oh. Really? Just a nothing candle. Oh, I didn't get my stop in on time. Oh no, and it stopped it out at nothing. Son of a bitch. Don't do it, he says. Don't do it. All right, we're out. We're just being silly now, gang. Thank you so much for our guest subscriber, Marco, for joining us today. It was an absolute pleasure, sir. We had some good fucking hell, look at that. Of course, right? Of course. That's been kind of the... Market, hear me out. I'm shorting the heck out of you, says Charles. That's kind of the theme of today, though, man. It's just, I said it a billion times. I hate all-time high trading. It's just, it makes me too, like, nervous, you know? I can't have that conviction because it's like... I don't know. It just seems insane that we just keep hitting these levels. We've gone up 3,000% or points in the last, week here, and we're still just chugging up. So, I don't know, man.
Yep, let's see if we'll stick around. See if we can
Yeah. I mean, it's up to you, bud. I can keep the stream going, too. I can just walk away. You can run this thing by yourself. I know, I shouldn't either. Surf out into the sunset in style. Don't do another trade, Greg. Don't do it. Don't do it, Greg. We're gonna do it. Hold on, what time is it? Alright, last trade. Has to be the last trade. Not doing any more trades. Last trade of the day. Hopefully we'll get that little 15-second push now into our 11:25 candle, and we'll call it good. Can't lose on it. Oops. Oh god, yeah we can, because we doubled it up. We didn't mean to do that. Oh god. Last trade just shows you what a stupid day today is. All right, we're out. In the name of science, says Charles, we're only up $32 on the day, but we're finally at $51,493 on the account. We're slowly stinking getting there. Terrible trades today. Terrible trades today. I mean, not really terrible trades, but just bad conviction on my part. Marco, you got that beautiful 50-point short. I had caught it as well, a lot of it, but then just kind of got chopped up today. Had a lot of good trades and just a couple trades that kind of went against me, and that's all right. We stayed green. Yeah. Yep. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. All right, buddy. I appreciate you to death. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I'm sure we'll do it again soon. And obviously we'll see everybody again bright and early Monday, maybe like 9:20, something like that. But yeah, gang, stay green. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. Time to go celebrate the little 5-year-old's birthday. We'll see y'all again soon.